Hi, I'm Megan Cave with PBIS Apps. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up referral workflows in your school Swiss account. I'll show you where you can go to enable the setting, the options you have for customizing the workflow itself, and a couple other things that the setting unlocks inside the application. So let's jump in.
Workflows come standard as part of every Swiss account, but it's a setting you have to enable. It's disabled by default. So to enable it, we'll head to Tools and then up to School Settings. It's a Swiss setting, of course, so let's click that. Referral Workflows is the last setting all the way down here, so we'll enable it. Click anywhere in the row and select Yes from this menu, and then save. Nice, we just enabled workflows. That gives us 2 extra settings to work with. The first one asks us whether we want teachers to be able to enter those classroom-managed minor behaviors into Swiss without requiring someone else to review the referral before they save it.
Take a second to think through how you handle minor referrals in your building. Do teachers handle these referrals from start to finish? Or do these referrals pass through someone else's hands before they get saved in Swiss? If you want someone to review the minor referral before it's saved, leave this set to No. At our school, no one reviews a minor referral. Our teachers handle the incident from start to finish, and we want Swiss to mimic what we already do. In order for our teachers to be able to save minors directly to Swiss, we gotta change this setting.
Let's change this to Yes and click Save. Okay, we're gonna pause here for just a second and talk through what our referral workflow looks like so far. We've got people entering major and minor referrals into Swiss. If the referral is a minor, it can be saved right away. We just enabled that setting. If the referral is a major, that referral has to be reviewed before it's saved. So who does that review? We have to set up who those people are for our account. That's what this last setting is all about. Click anywhere in the row to open it up. What I want to do is set up 3 people to be our school's reviewers. Let me tell you just real quick why.
Let's say we have 2 administrators who meet with students when they're referred, and we have 1 person who knows which of those administrators is available to work with students when they come to the office. So I'm going to set up that person as the default reviewer and the 2 administrators as additional reviewers. Okay, that's a lot of information. Let me just show you how we'll set up our reviewers, and then we'll take a look at how it all comes together in Swiss.
Come over here to the User drop-down menu. Everyone listed here has data entry access or higher. I'm going to select John first. He's our default reviewer. You know, the guy who knows which administrator is available to meet with students when they show up at the office. Click this default reviewer checkbox and click Save. There's our first reviewer. Now I just need to add our 2 administrators as reviewers. So I'll go back over here and select Deirdre and click Save. Notice I didn't select her as a default reviewer. We already have one of those, John. Now I'll do that one more time. And now we have everyone listed. So here's what that looks like for our account. When I enter a major referral, I can send it to our default reviewer when this box is checked, and I click Send for Review. That's going to assign the referral to John, our default reviewer, and it'll send him a notification that there's a referral waiting for him. When John logs in and goes to Referral Management, he sees this referral right here. He'll select the referral and send it to one of our 2 other reviewers, whoever's available. Let's say that's Deirdre. Make sense? Now that's just one example of who you might select to be reviewers. You might set up 1 person or 2 or 4. However many you want to add, you'll do that right here in School Settings under Referral Reviewers.
Whew, enabling workflows. Those are just the basics. Just remember to think through what your current referral workflow looks like. How are minors handled? Who decides the actions taken? Whatever your referral process at your school looks like, make Swiss match it. Good luck.